Well, hello and welcome again to Jessic Biking. Today's video is on a build that's an over-the-top build, something I haven't done for a while. This is based on one of my previous designs, just kicked up a couple of notches. This was also a difficult build at the same time because of two factors: the weather and when we had temperatures, high temperatures in the single digits in the teens, it made kind of rough working down here in the garage. And secondly, my health issues, which I've been dealing with for the last 3 years. For you that don't know, I've been suffering from spinal stenosis for the last 3 years, and it's got to the point where injections aren't working, the medication's not working, so it's came down to the final straw where I'm going to have to go for surgery next month, probably about between the 1st of May and the middle part of May. So that's going to put me back for a while where I'm going to not be able to do anything. But I'd like to thank all my viewers. I'd like to thank all my subscribers that have hung with me for the last several years, and including my 2 latest ones that subscribed to me just recently. One is Celtic Granny and Sopo Hughes, fellow YouTubers that I've been watching along with Fallout Fridays and basically Fallout game, which is I enjoy very much. So without any further delay, let's go ahead and show this bike. Well, here we go, folks. Let's just right of it. Let's get it turned around here. Whoa! Yeah, this is a light I picked up at Habitat for Humanity. And down here I've got paddles from a ceiling fan that was made just to fit this build. And of course I got a gold chain on it. And also too, it's a 3-speed. This part here is used to switch between 1st, 2nd, and 3rd, and this here is alignment and also keeps the rear derailleur straight. And then of course I found this. This is the cream of the crop. It's a cocktail shaker that was found in gold. Most of the ones I've seen are in chrome. And then and down here is a small box with a piece of brooch on it there that I found very appealing. And then of course I got a little place here that I can store stuff. And here is a flashlight I found at Goodwill that has red flashing and has a white light. And then here, these are a couple candle holders I put on the side, and where the candles normally go, I put a amber reflector in it. And I got on this side I got two of the paddles, one in the back and one in the front, because of the rear derailleur I wasn't able to put anything on, so but as you can see, there's one in the back, one in the second back, and one on the front. And here's my dashboard, a decorative dashboard, and very pleased with it. The horn I got from a bike shop, and I sanded it down. It was chrome. I sanded it down and painted it gold. And I found gold tone disc brake apparatus or clamps, whatever, and they matched very well. So there it is. And like I said, I think you're in for a real treat. Came out quite well. It took me longer than I anticipated, but it's a 3-wheel inline, and the second wheel and the third wheel are not connected by a chain. It's a free wheel back here in the back. So basically I left it free wheel, mainly for looks, and then of course well, sorry for the sudden stop, folks, up here. I just ran out of memory. So basically, I finished this bike off with cream colored tires. The tires, instead of being white or black, I decided to go with something a little different. So until the next time, hope you have a good week. And this is Michael from Jesse Biking saying have a good day. Bye.